Welcome back, guys. What's up? So I'm here with Sogoodhair today again. You guys have seen me with Sogoodhair before. This is what I got in package. So I got a little pouch in like the box with everything on the inside. Oh, they sent me a nice pair of earrings. I have a new pair of tweezers, some hairpins, extra elastic band and combs, wig cap. I got this little, brush, and I got one of these. Oh, I got a bonnet, and it says Sogoodhair. Sogoodhair always try to be so cute, and this is stuff that you really do find that come in handy. I love getting the bonnets. As I said before in a previous video, you can't have too much bonnets. So this is the wig we're working with today. Some nice, luscious, long, curly hair. Yes. And it's a fake scalp 360 wig. I always love a good fake scalp wig. Listen, you part it anywhere and it looks so much like scalp. That is the aim, for your wig to always look so natural. The lace looks absolutely gorgeous. I love this. This look like, yeah, the meltdown is about to be lit. So the inside for the cap construction, it has 4 combs in total, 3 on the back, 1 up here at where the lace meets the rest of the cap. And it has extra elastic band on the inside, and I feel like this is really handy, especially if you want to go ahead and wear the wig glueless, absolutely no adhesive. This comes in very handy because it keeps the wig very snug. So let's go ahead and jump into this meltdown. As you can see, I'm going to be just jumping in and doing a whole ball cap method today for this. I'm going to be using my glue. I really want to do glue today for this install because I'm excited about this wig. Honestly, I know I look weird right now, but for today's install I'm going to be using my Kiss lace glue. It's just one time before or twice that I've used this, and it was really good.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E.
So I'm basically going to do 3 layers of this glue for this application. I don't really want to exceed that amount because I don't intend on keeping it on for like a week or so. So yeah, I'm gonna do 2 more layers and then I'll come back. Now that I have all the layers on, just going to put my wig over. I pretty much just put the center down first, and this really grabs the wig, okay?
On the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time. So now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
I went ahead and I kind of applied like the loose parts. When you're applying glue, don't dread to get it in the correct lineup, because that way it will just stress you out. Don't be afraid to get it behind the lace. Never over the lace, but behind the lace, because you can always go back into the little areas and apply more glue. But if you get it over the lace, like over the, say for instance, they apply glue here and then lace is behind here, no, that's gonna be a mess. So as long as it's like behind the lace, you can always go back in. Yeah, so that's why in like the little area there in the front, you know, especially since you want to get like a zigzaggy look. Yeah, and glue just gives the face like a face look. So that's what I'm gonna continue to do on the sides. I kind of do here first, and then I'm gonna lay it down again, blow dry, and then I'll continue to like do my edges. So yeah, I feel like I really want to do something like, I need to show this scalp. Look at, that's just too nice. That's way too nice to just have it push back like that, right? So we're gonna do something with this. So yeah, I'm all done with laying down everything with the glue. It looks so good, and it's not like ultimately melted yet. I know that it's tasty here, but we're gonna fix that. We're not done with the meltdown. Like, I'm just excited about this wig. You see this? I didn't have to pluck it, not one bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and just take out some of the hairs for what I'm gonna use to do my like baby hair, because I want baby hair for this. I definitely do.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you.
Honestly, this mousse is what I usually use. This one, the Narrow Bay Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion, but I don't feel like it's the best. It don't give me the best like hold. So it works, but it's not my favorite. I really love the Lotta Body, but I've just been experimenting and still trying other things. So today I tried the ORS Olive Oil Bold and Shine Wrap Set Mousse, and this is infused with coconut oil. So I'm like, look at that.
Say goodbye.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your your side, you manipulator. Playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming it's cool.
I had on the wrap strips for a while. This is how we are looking. This is so nice. So I want to do like a whole elastic vibe. I'm gonna comb this out. So I'm gonna like do a Argante inspired hairstyle, one that he did on Ari. I'm gonna try to do something similar to it, but I'm gonna get some help to do that, because to get the part straight and stuff like that, I'm gonna have a whole arm workout if I do that by myself, and I'm just like, I don't know if I'm gonna get this parting straight.
So now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, and you'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, and you'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
As you can see, these are pulled tight. and like laying really flat. So like that looks super natural and just realistic. So I love that. Like it looks just like scalp. Like I feel I really had the urge to do a style like this because then it could really show, you know, like the whole fake scalp. It could really show off the scalp, the lace portion, and show you guys how realistic it looks. And I am loving it. I'm loving it so much. As you can see, it's loose wavy. I got glammed, and now it's time to just go ahead and, you know, finish up this style. It's actually the next day, guys.
Find somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time.
So what I'm gonna do is mostly just like wet up the hair, you know, apply mousse, you know, all of that good stuff. It's pretty much all I'm gonna do.
So now I gotta say
Yeah. Unknown Brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right.
I'm pretty much all done with this bomb install. It was so lit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this down below in the comment section, and like, yeah, keep on dropping your suggestions as usual. And remember, all the information will be down below, so go ahead and check it out. The direct link to this gorgeous wig, you can go ahead and check it out. And you know, yeah, shout out to Sogoodhair once more. This is gorgeous. And yeah, just go on, be open yourself, go and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.